Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the really awesome ayamaya trekking poles for hiking, for walking, Ultralight Antishock quick flip lock. It comes with a cork grip. Oh yeah, 70-75 aluminium combination lock mechanism. That's really awesome. A three-fold design, compact to carry on. Thanks to its retractable tri-fold design, this folding system for trekking poles collapses down to a portable 15 inches. These are only 38 centimeters, fitting into a backpack, luggage case, or duffel bags for compact travel. The height of the poles has adjustment range of 20 centimeters. 100 up to 120 centimeters, these are 8 inches or shorter, or 115 up to 135 centimeters. These are 5.9 inches or taller. These are pole pairs, so you can choose which design or which length you choose. If you are a taller person, you should use the 5 9 inches position. Okay, short or long, it fits for man, woman, and teenagers. Okay, we can choose the size that best fits to us. Each package comes in pair with holder bag, and it's a 3-in-1 lock system. Quick, easy, and durable to use. These collapsible tracking poles combine quick flip lock and quick pop-up metal button. Up and quick flip lock enables to lock the tight in the lateral direction. The middle metal button lock enable to lock tight in the long traditional direction. Firmly, we can keep the walking poles in place and prevent them from sliding down using high strength steel ropes to connect each section. They're durable enough to support during all our adventure out there. And we have an ergonomic cork grip with extended Eva Foam Grip and adjustable wrist strap. These collapsing hiking sticks built with cork handles mold to the shape of our hands. It absorbs sweat while it will keep our hands cool and dry in both hot and cold temperature. With extended EVA foam sleeves, this will aid us during switchbacks and abrupt changes in terrain. The padded, fully adjustable breathable wrist straps make sure that we don't accidentally drop our poles and provide us with the maximum of comfort. And it's made out of 70-75 alloy aluminium material. This is lightweight and durable. These collapsing trekking poles are made of aircraft grade 70-75 aluminium. It can withstand more force, much more durable and lightweight than 60-61 aluminum poles out there. Cheaper than carbon fiber pole, of course. Each pole weighs only 294 gram. These are 10.4 pound for 100 centimeters up to 120 centimeter poles, and there were 306 gram. These are 10.8 pound for the 115 up to 135 centimeters. It's perfect as an all-day walking stick or for backpacking in the mountains or on our favorite trails, of course. And we have strong tungsten tips and multi-essential accessories. The trekking poles included heavy-duty accessories, and tungsten carbide tips will not let us down, whatever the terrain of the season may be. Thermoplastic rubber tips and baskets strongly attached to the trekking sticks itself, so we can't forget about losing them on snowy or muddy trails. A carrying case and a carrying clip are both included for easy, convenient storage and, of course, transportation. The awesome stick on the top comes with an ergonomic cork grip. This molds to the shape of our hand. And we have just padded straps. This prevents chafing on hands. Then we have a moisture wicking handle, absorb sweat and keep the hands dry. Then we have an anti-slip point. This prevents the handle from slipping itself. And of course, it goes with the don't exceed the stop marks area. Okay, we can adjust the height of it. 2 sizes, easy to adjust. You have to look the body height at 44 inches. The pole height will be 26 inches, for example. If your body height is 50 inches, you will get 32 pole height inches. If your body height is 56 inches, you will need the pole height of 37 inches. If you have 62 inches body height, you will get 42 pole height, okay? Or 68 inches, these are really tall persons, will need 46 inches of pole height. And then it comes 74 inches, this will need 50 inches pole height. 78 inches body height will need 54 pole height. Okay, the pole heights are based on estimates. That means you have to look at your own. If you are can perform it with this size, you can handle it, okay? The collapse design is easy to carry and easy to switch it on and off. It comes with a high-strength steel rope with PFC sleeve. It's durable for a long time on our vacations, on our road trips or mountain trips, or where you are going to hike as you like. This is really good because it's a nice and good thing to use that kind of hiking sticks here, okay? Oh yeah, ooh, that's awesome. That's really awesome because it is really good for your health to make sport outdoor activities. And if you're going to use a trekking pole with it, it is also known as hiking poles, hiking sticks, or walking poles. This is a common hiking accessory that functions to assist walkers with their rhythm, to provide stability and reduce strain on joints on rough terrain. And it's really easy because you can easily use it, okay? And it's an old thing, trekking poles out there. When in use, the modern trekking poles resemble ski poles as they have many features in common, such as baskets at the bottom to prevent the pole sinking through unstable surfaces, and rubber padded handles and wrist straps to strengthen holding the grip. The maximum length is usually 135 centimeters, so 54 inches, all adjustable here. However, unlike the ski poles, they are often made in 2 or 3 sections and can be extended and retracted as necessary for use and collapse to storage for transport. When fully retracted, it may be possible to attach them to a backpack. Some poles come with spring-loaded sections to aid walking under normal conditions and to reduce the wrist strain, but such devices may only add unwanted weight and noise. The poles, they are usually made for lightweight aluminum or carbon fiber. And all these good things comes together in this nice 2 sticks. You can adjust it, you can use it, it's durable, it's made of a good aluminum, and we can use it. The Appalachian Trail Conservation, the ATC, estimates that the pole usage rates on the Appalachian Trail vary from 90% among through hikers to 10 up to 15% among day hikers. So you can see a lot of people out there use such a stick like here for hiking, for backpacking, for make other outdoor activities. Of course, you can use them indoor too, that's no problem. You can choose which aluminum you like. 70, 75 aluminum is good, then collapsing 100 to 120, or you can choose 150 to 135, and of course the standard aluminum way you can choose too. But there's more. Ayamaya store will get you a carbon fiber set too, if you like, and this is is lightweight too, but it is maybe a little bit not so cheap like that here, okay? But this here, this I think is the best balance out of the weight and the durability, because it's made out of 70-75 aluminum steel. This is like an aircraft of aluminum steel, not steel. It's an aluminum alloy, and this is awesome. The only thing you have to do is pull on it, then get in position, and it will lock automatically. Then go hiking, have fun with it. Use the right covers on the bottom side for sandy condition, for winter time, for sun or for dust, for dirt, as you like. And if you're finished, you only have to unlock the ball on the stick itself, press it into position, and then you can remove the parts of it and fold them together and get it back into the bag. That's really awesome. It's easy and it's nice for your health, because it helps you to perform a better hiking quality. This is the ayamaya trekking poles for hiking, for walking, for outdoor activities with Ultralight Antishock quick flip lock cork grip. Yeah, and 70-75 aluminum combination lock mechanism too. Awesome thing. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.